Come with me behind the scenes as I produce The Night with the Parks, our collab between Park Village and Park Des Oaks food truck. First stop, I'm setting up the table and getting the mic stands ready for the poets and musicians. Then I check in with our visual artists who will have live paintings, artwork for sale, the whole vibe. Over to the DJ next to make sure his vinyl setup is smooth because yes, vinyls are my favorite. Then a quick rundown with the host to lock in the show order, a few last minute touches to make sure everything is perfect. And then it's time to get the show started. Guests arrive, I grab the mic, welcome our guests, and just like that, it's showtime.